Alright, welcome to another video. We have a 2017 beautiful Audi A6, and this is the S-Line model. I've been looking to drive this car for a long time, especially we had a chance to have a black on 10 interior and absolutely gorgeous. Got a dual exhaust premium plus S-Line, and this one has a 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder, generates about 252 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. So let's take a look at the tail light. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a little bit of tint on it and it looks gorgeous. Of course, it's got the looks like 17-inch, no, this is 18-inch the Premium Plus wheels. And I do really like the size of it. It's not the A6 like a biggest one, and it's not a tiny like A3. This is the A6. It's got really decent legroom, headroom, and the other one. So I'm gonna talk about a little bit all the features, back seat and front seat, and I'm gonna drive it on the POV video. All right, let's look on the back seat. As you can see, it's got a tint, beautiful interior. Being on the Premium Plus, it does have a heated back seat, and then this is a 4-way AC and then heat. Okay, let's go inside. As soon as you get in there, this car looks premium, top of the line, really nice feeling. Steering wheel and seats and everything is gorgeous. And then this is super light Premium Plus S-Line package. All right, enough talking, so let's drive this car and then to see how it drives. Okay, I'm gonna put on the drive mode. It's a super light, responsive, one of the nicest Audi I ever drive. This one. So being 2017, and it considered low mileage, only 32,000 miles on it, and the market value, this one is close to 27 or 28,000. Look how responsive is this car. .252 horsepower means a lot with this car. 4-cylinder car. Such an amazing feeling. Menu, go into the car, let's click on it. We're on auto. It's got a comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. So let's click on the dynamic. Gives you a sportier mode this car. What an amazing car. And it's pretty spacious as well. Really smooth. Love it. On this Audi you can get, if I'm not mistaken, 3 different packages on this one. The premium, which is inexpensive, the package, which is everything is standard, and then you can get premium plus, and then the top of the line one is prestige, and prestige also has some other options like panoramic sunroof, like keep blind sense, blind spot, Bose audio system, and etc. And then, but the engine wise, you can get 2.0 Quattro or 3.0 V6. And V6 gives you more horsepower than, of course, it's the second, I mean the 2.0. And currently we are driving 2.0, which is, this is my favorite car. I'm not too crazy about the bigger engine, even though it's a smaller engine gives you you know, decent horsepower and torque. And handling and driving, it's amazing on this car. It does such an amazing pickup and such an amazing job.